So all the window air conditioners are in now because we've been getting some pretty warm weather, and this one is mine. It is one of the 8500 BTU Sharp air conditioners. Here's the other 8500 BTU Sharp air conditioner. I'm going to start this one up right now actually. This was just put in recently. Mine's been in for a while. The fan motor bearings on this one are nice and quiet compared to the ones on mine. The 5000 BTU higher air conditioner is also in right now. It's running. The Samsung 10,200 BTU air conditioner is also in downstairs, and it's running right now as well. I'll get a video of that later. So yeah, this is what's going on right now. This thing blows ice cold air. Pretty hot outside today, about 93 degrees, and yeah, just went up to 93 right there, and it's 80 degrees in the house, at least upstairs. The Samsung air conditioner is running downstairs. The higher 5000 BTU air conditioner is running in one of the rooms up here, but I'm about to turn one of the Sharp. I will turn this one on. And I'll start mine up real quick just for the heck of it.